If you ask anyone around you that if they want to time travel back to 10 years of their life so that they could have had a better life, better current life, they would definitely say yes, they want to time travel. But if you ask the same person if they have a plan for the next 10 years, they wouldn't. There's only few people who design their life and make it better instead of pulled by the life whatever it throws up. They design their life and they plan what they want and they reach the destination where they wanted it to be. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 lenses that you could use so that you could have a better future, better 10 years from now. Hey, hi. If this is the first time you're watching me, my name is Raghuraj. I'm a lifestyle entrepreneur and a startup coach. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the 3 lenses that you could wear so that you could make your future better. Before I'm going to explain you the 3 lenses that you could wear to change your life better in the future, I would like to tell you that I'm going to give away something and please watch out for that giveaway in this video. The first lens that I want to talk about is the lens of past. Go back to your past, go back to your childhood and trace down all the incidents that you could remember which has a success or a failure. Every individual in their life would have had some successes. So go back to your childhood and note down all the successes that you had, and you could use that principles in the coming years. And at the same time, note down all the failures that you had. There are 2 kinds of failures. One which you want to ignore, maybe like the time that you wasted, you don't want to carry forward. But there are other kind of failures where your skills were not good, maybe like financial skills are not good, so you want to improve that failures that you had. So note down even that. And here's the trick: don't just note down your successes and your failures. Go ahead and note down all the successes and all the failures around you. Note down the success of your family, success of your parents, failures of your parents, success of your neighbors, success of your siblings, failures of your siblings, what you did and what they didn't do, or what they did that you didn't do. So note down all the successes and failures of each and everybody around you, even the celebrities that you followed, the celebrities who you were following and all of a sudden they rose it to the fame. Those are the success principles. And the celebrities that they made little mistakes and the mistake they made and they went down the ladder. Even note down the celebrities mistakes, failures, successes and use it in your coming years. The second lens that you want to wear is the lens of future. There are 2 ways that you want to see your future. One is where the world is going towards. Where is your country going towards? Where are your people going towards? What would be the one big thing that's going to happen in the next 10 years? What are the technologies that is going to transform the world? And what is that one thing in your industry that is the next big thing? Just note it down and list down the things that you want to follow. And the second thing in the future lens is what are the kind of life that you want, what is the ideal lifestyle that you want, what is the kind of life that you want, what is the kind of house, cars and the neighborhood, the friends that you want, the people that you want to be surrounded with. Is it the same people that you want to be surrounded with, or the successful people, or the entrepreneurs, or the people who have more knowledge than you, who could share a lot of knowledge and a lot of experience to you. So list down all the things that you want to be in the future. And now let's come to real. Let's come to present. Now we want to note down all the successes principles that we noted down, the failures that we noted down. We just want to don't make that mistakes that we have done, and we will use the success principles. we know where we are going, we know where the world is going, and what we have to do is just wear this present lens and look at the present lens using the experiences and the goal you have. Every decision you take will be clear, and definitely you are going to have a wonderful future. These are the three lenses that I wanted to share with you today. Okay, regarding the giveaway, I'm going to give away Amazon's gift voucher of rupees 300 for 10 people. I'm going to choose 10 people who are going to subscribe and who are going to comment in the comment section what did you learn from this video and what are your expectations from this channel or from me. If you leave out this if you leave out the comments and also you subscribe and share, particularly if you share this video, I will choose 10 people and I will gift Amazon voucher of rupees 300 so you could purchase your favorite book. Let's make our life as well as the world better to live. Bye bye for now. I love you all.